Good morning to everyone. Okay. I think in the last class, day before yesterday, we discussed some of the problems in summation of binomial series. Okay. So in this class, we will find using binomial theorem, find the coefficient of x power n and the approximation. Okay. So I think you know these results. Okay, but it is better to write a seventh one and the eighth one in your notebook. Okay, because I'm going to use 7 and 8. 1 minus x whole power minus 3. So 1 minus x whole power minus 3, I need to use which formula? Formula number 2. So instead of n, 3. So that means what? 1 plus 3x. 1 plus 3x plus 3 into 4 by 2 factorial x square. So I took 1 by 2 commonly. Okay, so then you have the expression like this. So if you write like this, what is the advantage? What is the advantage if you write like this?
Simplified, sir.
Simplified, and also okay, you can easily tell the coefficient of x power n. Is it correct? Here also you can tell. Here also you can tell. But here, what is the coefficient of x power n here? If it is 2 means 3 and 4.
N plus 1 into n plus 2 by
Yeah.
2.
Yes. Yes. So you can easily tell the coefficient of x power n. Okay. Similarly, write down 1 plus x whole power minus 3. So you can get this formula from, so if you substitute n equal to minus 3, you'll get it. Okay. So now I'll go to the problem. So coefficient of x power n. Okay. So using binomial theorem. Okay, first problem. Find the coefficient of x power n. In the expansion of one plus 2x plus 3x square divided by 1 plus x whole cube in ascending powers of x. Solution. So what is given here? The expression is 1 plus 2x plus 3x square divided by 1 plus x whole cube. So I will write this is equal to 1 plus 2x plus 3x square I will write 1 plus x whole power cube in the numerator is 1 plus x whole power minus 3. So this is equal to 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. Okay, so you know what is 1 plus x whole power minus 3? 1 by 2 into, so you should please tell this expression 1 by 2 into 1 into 2 minus 2 into 3, minus 2 into 3 into x plus 3 into 4 x square, okay, and so on. But here I have x square term, okay, so that's why I will write from starting from x power n minus 2 term, okay, minus and so on, minus and so on. What is x power n term? Minus 1 whole power n, okay, because if n is odd, then it is minus. If n is even, it is plus. Minus 1 whole power n. If it is 2 here, what, 3? So n plus 1 into, yeah,
n plus 2.
Yeah, n plus 1 into n plus 2 into x power n. This is x power n. Okay, but if you multiply 1 into this term, I get x power n. If you multiply x into x power n minus 1, I'll get x power n. So that's why before this, you should write plus minus 1 whole power n, x power n minus 1. X power n minus 1 means here n into n plus 1, x power n minus 1. Here I have x square. So that's why I'm writing one more term. Okay, plus minus 1 whole power n, n minus 1 into n into x power n minus 2. Suppose if you have here x cube term, you should write
That
one
should
more.
be minus 1 power n minus 2 and minus 1 power n minus 1.
Here n minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct, Trimohan. Here it is n minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Yes. Okay. Now I think this is minus, okay, and so on, and then here plus. So if you multiply 1 into x power n, this term, you'll get I need what, coefficient of x power n. Okay. Similarly, if I multiply 2x into x power n minus 1, I will get x power n. And then 3x square into x power n minus 2, if you multiply these two, I will get coefficient of x power n. Okay, so the only 3 possibilities. But this 1 by 2 is also common. Okay, so the coefficient of x power n is equal to, I will write in the, okay, I will write here, coefficient of I don't have space. Okay, I'll write, go to coefficient of x power n in 1 plus 2x plus 3x square, 1 plus 2x plus 3x square divided by 1 plus x whole cube is equal to half into minus 1 whole power n into n plus 1 into n plus 2, and then plus 2 into minus 1 whole power n minus 1 into n plus 1. 2 into minus 1 whole power n minus 1 into n plus 1. And then 3 into 3 into minus 1 whole power n minus 2 into n minus 1 into n plus 3 into minus 1 whole power n minus 2 into n minus 1 into n. Okay. So now here I am going to take minus 1 whole power n common. Okay, divided by 2. So here n plus 1, n plus 2. Here I took n power n common, so we have minus 1. So minus 2 into n into or multiply. If you multiply, you'll get what? N square plus n. Okay, I took here minus 1 whole power n. So remaining here what? Here minus 1 whole power minus 2. Okay, so that is 1. So plus 1. So 3 into n square minus n. So this is equal to minus 1 whole power n divided by 2. What is this? N square plus 2n plus n 3n plus 2 minus 2n square minus 2n plus 3n square minus 3n. So if you simplify, you'll get minus 1 whole power n divided by 2. How many n square? 4 minus 2, 2n square. How many n? Plus 3n minus n, 3n gets cancelled, minus 2n. Constant term is plus 2. So take 2 commonly and cancel out. The final answer is minus 1 whole power n, n square minus n plus 1. Okay. So move to the next problem. Find the coefficient of x power 5. Find the coefficient of x power 5 and x power 35 in the expansion of one plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 whole power 6. Okay. So you know the results. It is 1 plus x x square plus up to x power n minus 1, okay, is equal to 1 minus x power n by 1 minus x if mod x is what? Less than 1. And this is equal to x power n minus 1 by x minus 1 if mod x is greater than 1. So using this result, I'm going to first write 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4, okay, is equal to, here n minus 1 equal to 4, so n equal to 5, so 1 minus x power 5 divided by 1 minus x. So here we are going to use the binomial theorem. That's why here I'm assuming mod x is less than 1. So now 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4. I need whole power 6. So this is equal to 1 plus x power 5 whole power 6 divided by 1 minus x whole power 6. Or you can write this is 1 plus, 1 minus x power 5 whole power 6 into 1 minus x whole power minus 6. So you have the formula, that is 1 minus x whole power n. Okay, for first one, you should use the formula 1 minus x whole power n. Okay, for the second one, you should use the formula 1 minus x whole power minus n. I think already you know, and also I gave in the first slide, I gave the formula. Okay, so using that formula, I will write the I'm going to write the expansion. Okay, I will go to the next slide. So I will write again 1 minus x power 5 whole power 6 into 1 minus x whole power minus 6. Please tell, if you expand this, what you will get it? 1 minus n is 6, n by 1 factorial into x. X is what? X power 5. I think this is enough because I need what? The coefficient of x power 5. Okay, and also I need coefficient of x power 35. But the coefficient of 35 will not come because the maximum power is what here?
24.
Yeah, 24. Okay, the coefficient of x power 5 is 0. Okay, so I will write one more term here. What is the next term? Plus n into n minus 1. N minus 1 is 5 by 2 factorial into x square, that is x power 5 whole square. X power 5 whole square is x power 10. And then alternatively, plus, minus, plus, and then minus, and so on. And then multiplication. I don't have a space, that's why I'll write here. Okay, 1 minus x whole power minus 1 plus n by 1 factorial into x plus n into n plus 1. N plus 1 is 7 by 2 factorial into x square plus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into x cube. Similarly, next 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 divided by 4 factorial into x power 4. So I will write one more term plus 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 divided by 5 factorial into x power 5 plus and so on. Okay. So now,
Sir, sir, if you write up to x power 7, we'll get x power 35, sir.
But it will cancel somewhere else, Purnachandra, because the left hand side is maximum is what?
24.
Yeah, 24. Okay, you will get it, but somewhere else it is cancelled. Okay. Now I need a coefficient of x power 5. quotient of x power 5 is equal to quotient of x power 5. Okay, if I multiply these two, okay, if I multiply these two, I'll get quotient of x power 5, that is minus 6 by 1 factorial. And if you multiply 1 into this two, okay, 1 into here coefficient of x power 5 is what? 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 divided by 5 factorial. Okay, so what is this? Minus 6. Simplify and tell. Do it.
$252, sir.
252. Okay. 252 minus 6. Okay, 246. Okay. So this is coefficient of x power 5. So now, but in the question it is asked for x power 35. So that is 0. Okay, I will write. Also, in the expansion, 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 whole power 6. Okay, on expansion, okay, if we expand this and will be a polynomial of degree degree 24 in x. So therefore, there will not be any term containing x power 35. Therefore, there will not be any term containing x power 35. So go to the next column. If a plus b divided by 1 plus 2x plus c divided by 1 minus 3x square is equal to 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus px cube plus and so on. Find the values of a, b, c and p. So solution. So what is given the question you should write a plus b divided by 1 plus 2x plus c divided by 1 minus 3x square, that is equal to 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus px cube. So write 1 plus 2x in the numerator. Similarly, write 1 minus 3x square in the numerator. Okay, so a plus b into 1 plus 2x whole power minus 1 plus c into 1 minus 3x square whole power minus 1 is equal to, right hand side is 1 plus 2x plus 3x square, 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus px cube. So now expand this 1 plus x whole power minus 1 is what? A plus b into 1 minus x, x is 2x plus x square, that is 2x square, minus x cube, that is minus 2x whole cube. Here also maximum degree is cube, that's why I'll stop here, plus c into 1 minus x whole power minus 1, 1 plus 3x, this is 1 plus x square. X square is what? Here 3x whole square, 3x square whole square plus x cube. X cube means here x is what? 3x square, 3x square whole cube plus and so on. So this is equal to 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus px cube. So now if you compare the constant term, we'll get what? A plus b plus c. A plus b plus c. A, B, C equal to 1. Okay. If you compare coefficient of x, coefficient of x is what? Here I have here minus 2x. Okay, minus 2x plus 3c over 1. Sorry, here I think x square, because yes, so this is 3x square. So I don't have the coefficient of x square here, only I have the coefficient of x is here, minus 2b is equal to 2. So this implies b equal to minus 1. Compare the coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square? 4b. Okay. Here 3c. 4b plus 3c. The right hand side 3. So we know that b is minus 1. So this implies minus 4 plus 3c is equal to 3. B is minus 1. Okay. So I need to find the C. C is what? 3C equal to 7. C equal to 7 by 3. So B is minus 1. C is 7 by 3. If you compare the coefficient of x cube, okay, here I have what? Minus 8b. Here I don't have the coefficient of x cube, so that is equal to p. Okay. So, but we know that b is what? Minus 1. So this implies p equal to plus 8. Okay. Substitute the value of B and C in this equation. Okay, you will get what? A plus B. B is minus 1. C is 7 by 3 is equal to 1. So A equal to 2 plus, 2 minus 7 by 3. So A equal to 6 minus 7 minus 1 by 3. So next problem. Find the coefficient of x power 4 in 1 plus 2x plus 2x square plus 2x cube plus and so on into 1 minus x. Okay, so if I multiply these two, you'll get what? Please multiply and then tell what is the coefficient of x power 4. So this is equal to 1 plus, if you multiply by 1, you will get what? 1 plus 2x square plus 2x cube plus and so on. Okay, if I multiply by minus x, you'll get what? Minus x, I will write minus x here, then minus 2x square, then minus 2x cube, and then minus 2x power 4. Here it should be what? 2x power 4 minus and so on. Okay, so you'll get here actually hereafter every term is what? Cancelled. Okay, so you'll get finally 1 plus 2x minus x, that is 1 plus x. So therefore coefficient of x power 4 is 0. So next topic in the binomial theorem, okay, approximation. First column. When x is large, prove that root of x square plus 16 minus root of x square plus 9 is equal to 7 divided by 2x nearly. Solution. So here it is given x is large. Okay, x is large means 1 by x is small. Okay. And okay, and and then you can see the right hand side, the denominator you have x, only I have x. Okay, because x is large, 1 by x is small, and 1 by x square is very, very small. Okay. So now I take the left hand side. What is the left hand side? Root of x square plus 16 minus root of x square plus 9. So here I am going to take commonly x square, because if I take commonly x square, then you have here you have what, 16 by x square. Okay, 16 by x, because on the right hand side I need x in the denominator, and also if x is large, okay, you need to take the term which contains x commonly. If x is small, then you should take the constant term constant term commonly. So if you take x square out of the root, you have what? X root of 1 plus 16 divided by x square. If I take x square commonly, x into root of 1 plus 9 by x square. So this is equal to x into 1 plus 16 by x square whole power half minus x into 1 plus 9 by x square whole power half. So you know the binomial theorem, that is 1 plus x whole power n. Okay, so to expand this, will get what? 1 plus n. N is 1 by 2 divided by 1 factorial into x. 16 by x square. Okay, here I have x. Okay, here I have x square. If I multiply, I'll have 16 by x. I think this is enough. I don't need the next term. Okay, so I will write maximum one more term. So n into n minus 1. N minus 1 is what? 1 by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into x square. X is what? 16 by x square whole square plus and so on. Close the bracket, and then minus x. Again 1 plus x 1 by 2 divided by 1 factorial into 9 by x square plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, here P will be minus 1 and Q will be 2, right? Minus P by Q power.
I am using 1 plus x whole power n.
Yes, sir. Oh,
Here.
okay, sir.
Okay, here also same. 1 plus
Okay.
x 1.
Understood.
Okay. Yes, here what? X square, it is 9 by x square whole square plus and so on. Okay, so now if you multiply x into 1, x into this term, okay, 16 by 2 is 8, 8 by x. So I don't need this term, because here x power 4, if I multiply by x, 1 by x cube, but in the final answer I don't have the denominator x cube term, only I have x term. So that's why I omit this term. And if you multiply these two, okay, plus put some dot, okay, and multiply these two, you have what? Minus x. If I multiply these two, you'll get what? minus 9 by 2x, okay, and then minus dot dot dot. The plus x minus x gets cancelled. This is from here how only these two terms. So here I took 2x LCM. So 16 minus 9, okay, that is a 7 by 2x approximately. So this is your RHS 1 by 2x. Second problem. When x is small, in the last column, the previous column, x is large. When x is small, prove that root of x square plus 4 minus root of x square plus 1 is equal to 1 minus x square by 4 plus 7x power 4 by 64 approximately. Okay, so in this problem it is given x is small. So what is given left hand side? Left hand side is what? X square plus 4 minus root of x square plus 1, that is equal to, so here I am going to keep x should be in the numerator. The final answer, the x should be in the numerator. So that's why I take the constant term commonly. So if I take 4 commonly, after the root we have 2, root of 1 plus x square by 4. Similarly here, I think we already have 1. So root of 1 plus x square. So this is equal to 2 into 1 plus x square by 4 whole power half minus 1 plus x square whole power half. So again expansion, 1 plus x whole power n, here also 1 plus x whole power n. So 2 into 1 plus x, n is 1 by 2 divided by 1 factorial into x, x is what? Here x square by 4 plus n into n minus 1. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into x. X is here x square by 4 whole square, because the maximum power is 4. Okay, that's why I'll stop here, because x square power square is x power 4. Okay, so I'll stop here. And the minus 1 plus x whole power n, that is 1 plus x square by 1 factorial, x square, sorry, what is n? N is 1 by 2. N is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 divided by 1 factorial into x square power 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into x square, that is x square whole square. Okay, so maximum power is x power 4. I'll stop here, plus and so on. So now simplify and tell. Took 2, okay, that is equal to 2 into 1 plus x square by 8. 1 plus x square by 8. And what is this? This is half, half, half. 1 by 8. X power 4 by 60. So minus 1 by 8, minus or plus or? I think, yeah, it is minus half. So minus 1 by 8, minus 1 by 8 into x power 4 by 60. Okay, plus and so on. What is the next term here? Next one is minus of 1 plus if you simplify, you'll get what? One plus 1 by 2 x square then this is minus half, plus half, so minus 1 by 8. This is x power 4, so x power 4 by 8. So minus x power 4 by 8 and plus and so on. So now, okay, what I need. Okay. Yes. Okay. So we simplified up to this. Now we need this expression finally. Okay. So here you have 2. Here you have 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. And here you have what? So okay, take the quotient of x square commonly. If I take quotient of x square commonly, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Okay, and then if I take quotient of x power 4 commonly, here I have what? 464 minus 1 by 64. Okay, if you multiply by 2, okay, 4 into 16, 64, okay, and the plus 1 by 8, plus 1 by 8, plus and so on. So this is equal to 1 plus, this is minus 1 by 4. So minus x square by 4. What is this? If I take 64 minus 1 plus 8, so plus 7 by 64 into x power 4. So approximately. Can we go to the next problem? Paritosh, is it Purnachandra, Petri Thirumahan?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. So whether this concept you have already studied, Petri Thirumahan?
No, sir.
No,
New to me.
new to you. Okay. Okay, you got the idea? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Third column. If x be so small, that the squares and the higher powers of x may be neglected, prove that 9 plus 2x whole power half into 3 plus 4x divided by okay, so this is equal to 9 plus 74x divided by 5 nearly. So what is the given in the left hand side expression? Here it is given the small, and here you can see the x is in the numerator. So 9 plus 2x whole power half into 3 plus 4x divided by root of 1 minus x. So this is equal to okay. So I need to take commonly from this expression what? From this expression I need to take commonly what?
9.
9th.
Yes, correct. Yeah, 9. So 9 power half into 1 plus 1 plus 2x by 9 whole power half. So I just keep 3 plus 4x as it is. I will write this in the numerator. Okay, numerator is 1 minus x whole power minus 1 by 5. Okay, I don't have the space, that's why I'll write here. So this is equal to this is 3, 9 power half is 3, 1 plus x whole power n expansion. 1 plus x whole power n expansion is what? 1 plus 1 by 2 divided by 1 factorial into x. X is 2x by 9. Okay, up to x term is enough because here I have maximum is x. So, and everything is in the product also. So, okay, next to 3 plus 4x into, so again, I will write, okay, I will write here, because I'm going to write only one term. 1 minus x whole power minus n is 1 plus 1 plus x by 5. Right, directly write 1 plus x by 5. X by 5. Next term should be what?
X square.
Okay, so I will write like this. Then you can easily tell. 1 plus n is 1 by 5. Okay, by 1 factorial into x. Okay, plus and so on. So otherwise you can write 1 plus x by 5 also. The next term should be what? Here.
X square, sir.
X square. What about
Yes,
the
sir.
coefficient?
1 by 10, sir.
1 by
1 by 5 by 2
yeah, yes,
factorial.
yes. Yeah. Okay. So I don't need the term because I have x only. Okay. Now I need to simplify this expression. So I'm going to multiply these two expressions first. So 3 into 3 plus 4x, that is 9 plus 12x into, if I multiply these two expression, 1 into 1, 1, okay, and then 1 into the next term. Okay, next term is what? X by 5. So x by 5 plus x by 5.
X by 9.
Then x by yes. If you multiply 1 into this term, okay, this term. So 2 gets cancelled. So x by 9. Okay, so already you multiplied 3 here. So x by 9. So
X
remaining
square by
of
45.
okay, I don't
Oh,
need
no. Yes, sir.
higher powers of x because the final answer
Answer.
contains only
X.
x. Okay, thank you, Purnasandra. So now this is equal to if I multiply by 9, 9 into 1, 9 plus 9 into x by 5, 9x by 5, okay, plus 9 into x by 9, x. Next multiply by 12, 12x, that is enough because next x square and then here also x square, okay. So you have 9. From these three terms I took commonly x, so 9 by 5 plus 1 plus 12, so this is equal to 9 plus x into, if you take LCM 5, then 9 plus 5 plus 60, 69, 74, 74 by 5. So the final answer is 9 plus 74 x by 5 approximately. So I will do one more problem. So next topic is exponential theorem. If p minus q is small, compared to P or Q. So P minus Q is small compared to P or Q. Show that root of nth root of P by Q is equal to n plus 1 into P plus n minus 1 into Q. So please check your suppose if you have Virajan root, please check it whether you have the binomial series, exponential series, and logarithmic series is there or not. Can you now please check it and tell immediately. Hard copy, please check your hard copy of Virajan and Kannan book. Also find the seventh root of 131 by 133. Solution. So what is given here? I took the right hand side. What is the right hand side? N plus 1 into P plus n minus 1 into Q divided by n minus 1 into P plus n plus 1 into Q. Okay, so just multiply, you'll get what? Np plus P plus Nq minus Q divided by Np minus P plus Nq plus P. Here it is given in terms of P minus Q, so that's why I group these two, and also I group these two, because P minus Q is small when compared, because I need to use this condition. So if I group 1 and the third, that is Np and Nq, N is common, N into P plus Q plus P minus Q divided by, similarly Np, Nq, I took N commonly, P plus Q, minus P plus Q, I took minus commonly, so minus of P minus Q. Okay, here I should write in the form of 1 plus x. So okay, so but here P minus Q is small, so this is a hint whether I need to take commonly n into P plus Q or P minus Q in the numerator.
N into P plus Q, sir.
Yeah, n into P plus Q, because P minus Q small means you should keep that one in the numerator. Okay. So if you take n into P plus Q is common, remaining in the numerator 1 plus P minus Q divided by n into P plus Q. Similarly, in the denominator, I am going to take commonly n into P plus Q. One minus of p minus q divided by n into p plus q. So you can cancel these two. So remaining you have what? Remaining you have 1 plus p minus q divided by n into p plus q, n into p plus q divided by 1 minus of p minus q divided by n into p plus q. Okay, wow. Okay, what is the next step? Any idea?
So right denominator as power minus 1.
What is the one? Right denominator,
As power minus 1.
power minus 1. You are writing the numerator.
Yes, sir.
But we need to proceed. Final answer is root of p by q, the nth root of p by q whole power 1 by n.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's why, so depending upon the answer, we need to move. Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah, your suggestion is okay. If I write like this, then it should be whole power minus 1. Okay, it's going like this. Okay, but the hint is here p by q whole power 1 by n. So that is the hint. P by q whole power 1 by n. This is the hint. Especially the hint is, this is the hint here.
Oh, yes.
So then what is the next step? Okay, I will write like this. Then I think some of you will tell the answer.
Sir, we should write in power, sir.
So explicita உங்களுக்கு visible இருக்கிற மாதிரி சொல்லிட்டா I think you will tell. What is the
One-
next step?
1 plus
Ah,
p minus q by
p minus q by
p plus q
p
whole
plus
power
q whole power
1 by n.
1 by n.
Yes, sir.
Okay, divided by, I don't have a space. Okay, I will write in the next page. That is equal to 1 plus p minus q divided by p plus q. Okay, whole power 1 by n. What is the denominator?
1 minus, sir.
Yeah, 1 minus. Okay, 1 minus of p minus q divided by p plus q whole power 1 by n. What is the reason? Because it is an infinite series. Okay, why is it possible to write like this, Chandra? But you are correct. What is the why we are writing like this?
Sir, to get 1 power n, sir.
Yeah, to get one. Yeah,
One by-
that is our aim. Okay, but here what we are using, which condition we are using? We are using.
Approximate.
Okay, approximation. So exactly you should tell. Because of this, we are writing only the first term. If we expand this, we'll get the first term is what? 1 by n, 1 plus 1 by.
Sir.
Sorry.
1 plus nx equal to 1 plus x whole power n.
Yeah. Okay. But what is given here? P minus q is what? Small compared to p or q. So we are using that condition. So if okay, p minus q is small when compared to p or q. Okay, so that means the next term is very small. So that's why we don't consider. Okay. So now if we take LCM, the numerator P plus Q plus P minus Q divided by P plus Q whole power 1 by n divided by P plus Q minus of P minus Q divided by P plus Q whole power 1 by n. So P plus Q gets cancelled. The numerator also PP gets, the numerator Q minus Q gets cancelled. Here P minus P gets cancelled. So this is equal to 2P divided by 2Q whole power 1 by n, or P by Q whole power 1 by n. So this is the required, that is the left hand side. Okay, left hand side is what? P by Q whole power 1 by n. But still there is one more subdivision. Also find the seventh root of 131 by 133. So here n equal to 7, P equal to 131, Q equal to 133. Okay. So first write the expression. Write this expression. So P by Q whole power 1 by n is equal to what? N plus 1 into P plus n minus 1 into Q divided by n minus 1 into P plus n plus 1 into Q. I think that is we have here. This is approximately okay. So we got this expression. Now n equal to 7 and the P equal to what? 131 and the Q equal to 133 and 7th root. So n equal to 7 plus 1, 8. 8 into P is 131 plus 6 into Q is 133 divided by 6 into 131 plus 8 into 133. So simplify and tell the final answer. Simplify and tell the final answer.
Sir, in decimal form.
Decimal form also you can tell, Rahul.
Sir, 0.997.
0.997. Okay, thank you, Paritosh. Suppose we got fraction also you can, but you need to simplify. Yes, okay. So this is the final answer. So I finished the binomial series. Okay. Next class I will start exponential series. But I asked it to you in the Virarajan book, the summation of series is available or not. I don't get the reply from the side. Okay, please write. So anybody referred your book, Virarajan Kannan book? Okay, otherwise please check it later and tell in the next class whether the summation of series is there. Okay, and then for second CA, the syllabus is the remaining part of the matrices. Okay, wow. But I received the information matrix unit 2 is uh, completely okay. So I have a slightly doubt whether they will omit the section already. What is the section we already studied for first CA? Consistency, inconsistency. Is it correct? Something.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, okay. So first you will go through from eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Okay, eigenvalues, eigenvectors, and then Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Okay, and then diagonalization by using similarity transformation, orthogonal transformation, and after that, what is the section we have? After the diagonalization, we have orthogonal. I forgot it. Quadratic form. Okay, wow. Quadratic form. So that is very important section. Quadratic form. After quadratic form, we have that stability analysis. Okay, wow. Stability analysis, and then no. After quadratic analysis, quadratic form, we have theory of equation. The theory of equations, you have AP, GP, HP. Okay, the theory of equation is full. Okay, why? Including stability analysis. So okay, so I gave assignment number 5 and 6. So in assignment number 5, you need to solve 6 problems in part A and 10 problems in part B. And the last assignment, stability analysis, that is, I gave some problems from your Virarajan book. So nearly, what is, anybody count the problem? I think around 50 now. Anybody check for assignment number 6? No. So I thought that nearly 15 problems I posted. So you need to solve 8 problems out of 50, any 8. But after that, I added 4 example problems. But you need to do that 4 problems compulsorily. So I took those 4 columns from Nandurgadi book. Already I sent to you. So please refer that book. So if you have any doubts, you can contact me. Okay, thank you.
Sir, assignment 6, 13 problems.
Kavimani, 13
Yes, sir.
13 7. Okay, va?
Okay, sir.
Okay, va? 7. So try to do any 7 problems. The first part, Kavimani.
Yes, sir. Around serial number 30, 25 ranks.
13 and 25 வரைக்கும் அப்போ 13 தான் 13 7 problems போடுங்க ஓகேவா okay can solve any 7 problems after that I gave 4 problems, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that 4 problems you need to do compulsory. Okay, so if you have any doubts you can ask me, otherwise we will meet in next class. Thank you.
Sir, in assignment 6 is 7, sir.
Sorry.